Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. OMG, it has been a minute. I have been really tired lately and I haven't been able to upload. I normally go through these waves of like times where I just feel really tired, like I don't want to do anything. So I am starting to get back on my grind, starting to feel a little better. I'm still feeling really tired, but on today's video, I'm going to do something special. I've been wanting to do my lashes for a really long time. Like, I've literally been saying that I'm going to do my lashes since April 30th because that's my baby girl's Aaliyah's birthday, and I never did them because I was really tired and lazy. And then I also said I was gonna do my lashes for my birthday in May, and I didn't either. So I am gonna show you guys how I do my individual or what is it called, my lash extensions. So for today's video, I will be using these Ardell lash extensions. And for my glue, I normally don't use this one, but last time I asked my sister to buy it for me. I think she got this one off of Sally's. And last but not least, you will need tweezers. I have two. I have the ones that came with the original packets that I started off with. They normally come in like little sets, and it gives you like a little glue and the lashes. But I never liked those. I didn't feel like they were strong enough. So I just buy my own glue from Mexico. So these are the tweezers. This one is really pointy. I don't know if you guys can see. And then this one is just a regular tweezer. Okay, so let's get started. So the trick to putting on your lashes is to just be really patient. I'm not a patient person, but I'll try to be patient for you guys today. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna get, this is optional, you don't have to do it, but what I like to do is I like to dab some glue on to the little box. So what I like to do is dab some glue onto the box, and then I will get the lashes, and what I do is just pick them up and put them on my hand, and I have been doing my lashes since I was like in middle school, high school. I used to go with a professional, but I feel like I'm a visual learner, so I would pay attention to how the guy used to do my lashes, and I started to try it out, and I liked how they came out, so I've just been doing it ever since, and I love it. I feel like it's cheaper, it's more convenient, and as long as I have time, I feel like I can do it whenever I want. And plus, the touch-ups, whenever a lash falls off or whatever, I can just do it myself. I don't have to wait until a certain amount falls off, or I don't have to go to like someone to go do it for me. Okay, so this should be about it. I'll do 2 whole strips, and then whatever's left over I'll just use on the other eye. So you will end up with a hand like this. And again, this is also optional. I learned this from the guy that used to do my lashes back then. You don't have to do it. You can leave them either here on the little cartridge it comes in. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pick the Lucky Lash, and we're gonna dip it into the glue very lightly. You don't need much, and then just take the rest, like the little extra, off. And I'm just gonna look in between my lashes. We're really up close and personal now. Okay, so I'm gonna get in between the lashes. I don't know if you can see. And I'm just gonna put it in between the hairs. You won't get to see it yet, but it's in there. Guys, so this is kind of the final look. Let me show you guys a close-up. If you guys like me and if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up And don't forget to like and subscribe. That really helps. And share with all your friends all my videos.